Hey everyone, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a 2022 Ford F-150 XLT Sport. This truck has 19,000 miles. It's still under factory warranty. Very nice. We got this from a repeat local client here right down the street. It's a two-wheel drive truck. It does have the V8, the 5-liter V8 with the flex fuel. Pretty well optioned truck. It's got the 302A package with remote start, sync. It's got the puddle lights and the mirrors, the LEDs. It's carbonized gray metallic paint. Got the running boards. Have all the service records for this truck. It's a one owner, clean Carfax. It's got a tonneau cover, rollback, painted bumpers. Got the tow package. Got a Texas edition badge there. This one also has the Ford Co-Pilot 360 assist with the adaptive cruise and lane keeping assist, blind spot monitor. It's got the navigation, bed utility package. It's also got the 360 cameras. Take a look in the back seat here. It's nice and clean. This is a non-smoker truck. Power seats in the front. No roof. All your steering wheel controls here. It's got the big nav screen. Bucket seats with the shifter in the middle. Got heated seats there. Got your drive mode and your brake controller for your tow package. It's got the Pro Trailer backup assist. There we go, 19,325 miles. Pretty well optioned, very nice. The V8, everybody looks for that. All the records from the dealer. Got hard copies. Give us a call, text, email. We will respond quickly. You can like and subscribe here on our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on the Instagram. That's at Rogers_motorcars. We've got a few more things coming down the pipeline. Try to post these daily. Sometimes we can't. Just don't get around to it. But we hope to hear from you. We can ship anywhere in the U.S. and we can do a remote deal very easily. We do that a lot. Just email paperwork, email it back. It's a real nice truck for somebody. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much.